Hello, my name is Janice. Today I am going to show you how to make French toast. For this recipe, you will need a good quality bread, 3 large eggs, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1½ cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. The first step, you will get your eggs. You're going to crack the egg. Put it into your bowl. Egg number 2 and the third egg. Then add 5 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you will pour 1½ cups of milk into the bowl. Then you add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then the last step would be 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then you will mix all the ingredients all together. Make sure it's all mixed in very well, the eggs. You want to give it a nice smooth texture. Then after all your ingredients are all mixed in very well, you will get your bread and you will dip it into the bowl. You get the 1 slice of bread and you will put it into the mixture. Make sure you put it on both sides. Then you put it on a plate and you get your next slice of bread. You get on one side of the bread, turn it over, then you get it on the other side. Then you get your next slice of bread. Slice. Okay, now that you have the mixture all on the bread, you're going to go to your stove. You will put on medium-low heat. Once the pan gets heated, just wait a few minutes, and then you will put some butter in your pan and just let it melt until most of the pan is all nice and buttery. So now that the butter is already melted in the pan, we will place the slices of bread in your pan to let it cook. Okay, now I'm back. It's been about 10 minutes. As you can see, the French toast is nice and toasty. And just make sure you flip it over to make sure you get both sides are golden brown. And if the pan gets dry as you're cooking the French toast, you can add a little butter at a time. So now I will take the French toast out of the pan and I'll put it on a plate. Then to add a little more flavor to your French toast, you will add maple syrup on your French toast. Then a little bit of powdered sugar is just sprinkled on top of the French toast. And with this dish, you can have bacon to go along with it, or you can have breakfast sausages. Let me know how you like this French toast. If so, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be back in a few days to show you how to make a 30-minute lasagna recipe. Thank you. Bye.